A noble, honored body filled with great beauties, of her who most pleases me and who most delights me, in whom is pleasing company, and frank humility, and sweet demeanor, and joyful prized worth. She makes me sing often, though she doesn't consent that I should ever be an enjoyer of having pleasing joy. Nor from her do I expect anything but the envy and the desire that I have for her noble body, without other enjoyment. For this I give myself up to her, to do her command, and if she wants, she can kill me, for I won't defend myself from her. Yet it seems to me that it would be more fitting, since I am a frank sufferer for her and love her finally, that it would be her will for my love to please her, so that with sweet appearance joy might be given to me before it was dearly bought. For so without fail the gift and the thanks would be in 100 doubles double. Joyful, enamored sounds of fine goodwill, if I were nobly paid for it. But through the vile tricks of false foolish suitors, I see those put in disbelief and wrongly accuse those who love frankly. And so I pray sweetly to my lady whom I serve to love loyally. For let not another's deceit turn to my harm, for by right judgment it will be wrong if evil comes to me from it. From other failings ladies reign basely, for which I'm enraged at them and reproach them for it. For if one has a valiant lover, worthy and knowing, of whom one can say great good, hardly will he be long held dear or loved, but some badly taught one with great ignorance will be called Lord. And I know worthless rich men without any worth, raised to high place and comfortable in clothes. So much is worth brought low, that I would be more enraged by it. But through her I have restraint and hold myself reined in. She whom folly doesn't please, nor excessive deeds, nor evil understanding, nor base profits, she's worth so much that I'm frightened by it and have less boldness. Because of her, when I consider well her strength, if mercy doesn't descend there, I have enough to sigh about. For in nothing else do I put my heart or my sense. So knowingly I cover my suffering, and I know how to laugh at my harm amorously. And if I had a joyful heart, I'd know secretly to welcome and to hide it. For in places 1 for 100, polite lying is well worth more than foolish truth, and gentler suffering than unleashed pride. For I've seen all this many occurrences come from rich honored gifts through nobly suffering in peace. Lady with fine beauties, worthy and of great worth, Lady Maria, thanks are given to you with such a gift, that according to my belief I see you bringing together all the worthy and the worthless. It is the truth.